Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Judy Ana Ligario, 27 years old. Separated. I have one child. I'm undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing, but I finished my course of caregiving.
Good day to you, Miss Judy Ann. How are you?
I'm very fine, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
For me, the good characteristic of a good domestic helper is honest, hardworking, loyal, patient, and responsible enough of their work.
Can you tell us the proper way of taking care of elderly person?
In caring of elderly person, you give right vitamins, right medication, and nutritious food, and love and care them enough.
What if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I immediately say sorry and promise that I will not do that again.
Do you have any last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me. I need this job for my family. And I promise that I will finish my 2-year contract to you.
Thank you, Miss Judy Ann, and see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, ma'am.